Hi, it's SA. Welcome back. Today we will start with roof. How to make roof in Revit. To make roof, you have to go architecture bar, build roof. We have three types of roof to make. We can make roof by footprint, or to make it by plan, or to make second way to make roof by extrusion, to make roof at section or elevation and extrude it. Third way to make roof by face, and this will make it at messing. So I make some walls from ground to third floor, and I will make roof for it. Okay. I want to go to the level to which I want to make roof to it, and start roof by footprint. We can draw the roof by regular draw way, like line and rectangle and this option, but we can make it easier by make it by pick line or pick wall. Pick wall is the easiest way. We can now select the wall which we will make the roof outline for it, but I want to make it offset from the wall by 1 meter. So I have now at option bar overhang. I can make it 1 meter. Then I can now select the walls. I will make it all external like this and press apply. Now I can hide all this element. Now I have my roof like this. I can also make it by the other way. I can make roof by extrusion, but it will ask to make a plane. So I will take it from 3D better. Roof by extrusion. I will make it at third level. Now I have to select the work plane which I will draw with it. I will make sure it will be like here, but I will select other work plane, and now I will start with drawing. I will make it organic. It will be something like this. I can modify its width. It will be like this, but if you check it, the walls not attach the roof, so I can go to select this wall. To modify walls, I have attached top base. I can select the roof now, and it will connect it. I can select all walls and attach top base and select the roof. It will be connected to the roof. Okay. If I delete this roof, it will be like this. I can go to roof or third floor and make other roof by footprint. I can select by pick line and make offset 1.5 meter. In option bar I have defined slope, so if I make defined slope check, all lines will have a slope. This one will have, and this one, and this one. If I want to one of those lines with no slope, I can select it and uncheck define slope, and it will be like this. Okay, I can select the roof and make edit footprint and select this and make define slope. It will be like this. Okay, if I change this roof level, I can go to properties and change its level to be like this, and I can connect all walls under it to connect to this roof. I can select this one and attach, and the other walls attach. It will be connected to my roof. Next we have roof properties. I can select my roof and add properties. We have roof style. We have some other style to make it. It will be like this, and we can change from it. We can make another type from type properties, and we will make it text. Add properties, we have some parameters to change. We have base level. The base level for this roof, we can make it at any other level, like this. Next we have room boundary to calculate this roof at boundary of the walls, at area and volume dimensions for walls. Next we have base offset from level to make this roof at third floor, and we can add any amount here to make the roof at 1 meter above third floor, like this, or minus 2, like this, if I want. Next we have cut level. If I want to add cut level, I can cut at roof level. It will be like this. We can add also cut of offset, minus 0.5 meter. It will be like this, as I want. Okay. Next we have construction for this roof. I can select other style. For rafter cut, I can make it plumb cut or other style. Next we have slope for this roof. We can change it from here. as you want. Okay, but this slope will not be shown if the four lines have other not the same slope. If I make this slope 20 degree and make apply, the slope of the roof will not show here. If I want to show here, I will make it all same like this. Okay, we can remove it like this. Next we have some dimensions for this roof. We have thickness, and thickness connected to the style of the roof. We can change it and the thickness will change. Next we have volume for this roof and area. Next we have identity data to add to this roof, and phasing for this roof. We can make it connect to the phase which we want to connect. Next we have type properties for this roof. We can go to it from properties, edit type, or type properties from here. We can now we have family name, basic roof type. We have 300 millimeter generic roof. We can change it from here, or we can duplicate to make other style. We can make it something like this. Generic roof 250, but the thickness is still like old one. We can change it from structure from here. We can change 0.3 to 0.25, and it will be the new thickness, and thickness now 0.25 for this roof. We can go to edit type and go to structure. We have now structure for this roof. We have core layer. We can change its material to other material from here, like concrete cast in place or brick or anything you want. We can make it wood if you want. Okay. We can also add the layers. We can make it concrete custom place or something like this, and we can add other layer and make it its function finish, and make it out of the core boundary. And we can we have to add thickness for it. If I press OK, it will make an error, so I have to add some thickness. I can make it 0.02 and add other layer from here. We can add paint or something like this. It will be like this. Okay, we can select our roof and go to type properties. We have now structure and thickness. Next we have graphics for this roof. We can add some pattern or some color from here, but I prefer to change it from layer. We can now change its color from here. We can use render appearance and change other color from here, like something like this. Okay, we can select it and change its pattern at elevation or at section, surface pattern for elevation, and cut pattern at section. We can add something from here or here. Okay. Next we have analytical properties for this roof, and we have next identity data to add to this roof. We can add cost, description, URL, model, manufacturer, URL for manufacturer, anything I can add here, and I will have it at roof schedule when we make it next. Okay, I hope it's easy and simple, and see you next video. Thank you.